Bus a bus. Yes, sir. What's going on, y'all? We going to Kawasaki. No, we going to Freedom Power Sports in Huntsville, Alabama. Going to check out this Kawasaki dealer day or whatever it is. They're giving free test rides. And you know, anytime you get to ride a motorcycle for free, it's for me. Got the man Willie Will over there on the 1000. And I'm on my street sweeper.
Gone forever.
The little homie. And my hoodie's doing the same old shit.
When you get you a big boy bike,
Big boy bike?
you're supposed to get off of it like this. So the first group already took off. We gotta wait for our 11 o'clock spot. Few different bikes. I'm gonna take the Z900 out, which of course somebody already took. Will's gonna get on this ZX6R. I don't know if he wants to go to the super sport class in racing. They got a little Kawasaki Vulcan over there. That's what I wanted to get the wife. Since she's short, she's only about 4'8". I'm just kidding, she's not that short. But yeah, I think she'd be comfortable on something like this. And I think with its power, she'd be okay to start with. She can flat-foot it, and it's something that, you know, you don't necessarily have to upgrade so soon. That's what I kind of don't like about smaller bikes like 400s, because you get tired of them so quick and then you want to upgrade. But that, I feel like she could ride that for a while. Should be reasonably comfortable with the forward foot position, but we'll see. But yeah, something like this, you can't even get the highway speed comfortably without stressing your engine. Yeah, she does like the look of these though. All right, let's do this here. Last to the party being a moto vlogger. The Z900. This should be interesting. It looks okay. TFT display. Oh, I like that. I need to get one of these for my bike. Excuse me, for my track bike, my race bike. With a smooth little quiet startup. This got any sexy features on it?
Not on this one. This one just has different modes. It says sport mode. If you want to take it down a notch, hold it down for 3 seconds, it goes to road. There's another rain mode, and there's a rider mode if you continue to go down. Rider mode, you program that via Bluetooth.
Gotcha.
On the Rideology app. To go back up, you hold it up for 3 seconds. It won't cycle all the way back around, so it's either up or down. Yeah, so you do it at a stop. You can't do it on the fly.
Does it change engine braking too? Do you know?
It changes everything.
Okay.
Well, not as much engine braking, but as far as the power levels and the traction control. Those are the main controls in those mode settings.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, the brakes got good feel. Some of these brakes felt a little loose.
ZX6R, let's go. Versus 1000, let's go. Z900, Z650, Z900.
I like that the gear indicator shows what gear you're in regardless if the clutch is in or not. That's pretty cool. I guess that's got to do with how electronic this thing is. For a lot of bike, it only shows what gear you're in when the clutch is out, when you're actually engaged in the gear. Man, I just love motorcycles. I'm already in love with this thing. It's comfortable. It's like a dirt bike, kind of, as far as seating position, but a little bit more comfortable. It's naked though, so you know you probably won't get that good wind protection. Won't be buffeted and whatnot. But yeah, nothing negative to say about it so far. It feels like you're actually sitting in the bike, so the seat height doesn't feel that high. It actually feels lower than my 600 RR, my Honda. Not bad. Not bad. I didn't think we was gonna get up and get zooted like this. Ooh, those brakes is nice. How fun. You done messed up the stagger, but that's okay. This is pretty cool. I think whenever any brand comes out, I would attend one just for the love of motorcycles. I did not expect this to take off like that. That felt better than a novice group starting off at a track day. All right, buddy boy done fixed the stagger. I'm gonna fuck with you. Okay, so the seating position is kind of uncomfortable. My knees are bent, what feels like an ungodly amount and an unnecessary amount. But other than that, man, it's pretty cool. Yeah, if you can get some adjustable rear sets and maybe change this up a little bit, it'd be pretty nice. In third gear, easily cruising along, doing about 60. Still got power. You know, I would not be surprised if the wheel wanted to come up. All right, looks like dude behind me ain't been paying attention to the stagger. What you doing? Get off my ass. This clutch pull is ridiculously easy. This is nice. You enjoying it?
Oh, good, good.
It's pretty cool. I am just shook up over this clutch pull. I've never felt such a buttery smooth pull of the clutch. It feels like something ain't working right with how easy it is to pull it in. I'm hoping we get to go through that mountain road that I know that's up here. Please bang this right. Man, punk ass Will gotta go back to work in a little bit. And cancel your turn signal. Will said his quick shifter is nice. He rides a SV650, a older Honda CBR 1000 RR. None of his bikes are equipped with one, so I'm sure he's enjoying that. This bike unfortunately does not come with one, but it's all good. It is still enjoyable. It could use a better seat, that's for sure. Damn, it got you leaning forward, like you feel like you're riding like this, just like you would on a Super Sport, like the ZX6R or an R6. You're leaning forward more than I feel like you need to with this bike. But then again, this isn't also a sport bike. It's just a naked sport bike. But with such high bars, it feels like it's unnecessary. I feel like you could be sitting a little bit more upright. The seat doesn't need to be as slanted as it is, and you'd still be able to do what you need to when you want to drop a knee and all of that. All right, I hope we go right and then left shortly after. That would be great, because I know of a nice, beautiful, curvaceous road. Yeah, man, this is cool. This is a cool little experience. If you have your motorcycle license, man, look out for days like this. Unfortunately, I don't even know how I found it or how the wife found it. She found it and told me about it, then I looked into it. But this is great. I got to get used to these turn signals. On the Harley, your right turn signal is on your right hand. Your left is on your left. On the 600, it was like this Kawasaki is, but that thing has not been street ridden in quite some time, and I have not used those signals in like 2 years. Hey, Will, let's switch real quick. No, just kidding. This wet air is knocking you around a little bit. Please go left. Please. Please, for the love of all things holy. Please. Damn, we ain't doing it. No. Green Mountain Road. All right, guy. You done fucked up the stagger again. This bit punchy. Yeah, this seat sucks monkey nuts. You feel so unnecessarily far forward, which is probably why I said these foot pegs suck as well. The position of them, that would be my complaint. This is not very comfortable. You're sitting on your damn nuts damn near. But if you're using this in them swervy curves or something where you're really off the seat and not really in it too much, cool. But to commute on this with this current ergonomic setup, hell no. I'm already uncomfortable. It's only been about 5 minutes. So I could sign up and do another ride on another bike, but yeah, straight line riding is so boring. I don't know if I even want to come out and do another one. This bike is nice though. I would really love to be able to really see what this thing is about. Oh, that suspension is nice. Going on some train tracks? Okay. This thing must have like a slipper clutch in it or something, because I'm rev matching and it's still, after I dropped the clutch out, it's still not grabbing on, which is weird. Well, you got a little taste, a little sample. That's all they're gonna let us do. We already pulling back into freedom right now. But damn, that was nice. Oh shit, I left my turn signal on. Oops. Not bad.
You were gunning around that corner right there.
Well, I'm trying to get it up in the power band to use the quick shift.
Yeah.
I was like, all right, this is the one opportunity where like they were a little bit ahead, and I was just like, all right, I'm just gonna I'm trying to get it up to like 12,000, so I can.
That's what you need to do? What? That's where you need to be able to use it?
No. Above 6,000 is fine. But I wanted to see how it felt, because like 6,000 is fine, but when you got up by 12,000, it was being a little bit. You had to give it a little bit more, I think.
It's something you have to get a feel for, and then it just falls into place. You know what I mean? You get a little technique. You know what RPMs and what throttle, and then when you find that, it's seamless.
Right.
Because I'm just used to the old wrist quick shifter, you know, so that's what I do. but this, it's actually really nice. Yeah.
Not bad, not bad. Are there any 1130 spots still open or no? Okay. Yep, definitely not sticking around to one. It was kind of cool, you know what I'm saying? The next ride ain't for like another 2 hours, and we ain't waiting for that. So it was pretty cool, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all stay blessed. Don't be too stressed. Let's get y'all paid.